The feature I'm going to show you is an analysis mode, and what it does is it looks inside the smart object and compares all of the data. We're going to use this feature a little later as well for making a star trail image, but it actually has its roots in scientific research, allowing scientists to take several sample images and compare them to one another to see trends or changes in the image. In this case, what we want to do is change how the data is evaluated and combined. With the layer selected, I'll choose Layer, Smart Objects, Stack Mode. This is how the image is analyzed. Now, you'll see several different methods here, and they all serve a purpose depending upon what you want things to do. Let's try the method called mean, which is another way for saying average the data. It's going to look through the stack and evaluate every image inside, and then create a new image based upon how that data adds up. If you have enough photos and someone isn't stationary, they'll effectively disappear. You'll notice that that crowded scene is now an empty scene, and that's because nobody stood still long enough across my image scene to actually show up. Plus, details like the water are actually now very silky smooth because they've been combined, and it looks like a long exposure on the water itself, which is also an added benefit. So now we have a totally empty scene, which is pretty cool. However, sometimes it won't be perfect, so let's quickly go over a bit of cloning.